You are going to love the 2013 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: bed liner, remote keyless entry, fog lights, dual power mirrors. Inside you'll find cruise control, power door locks, power windows, tilt steering wheel, sync, cloth upholstery, AM/FM stereo radio, CD player. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.